The Tapmaster is easy to install in new and existing plumbing. If you can install a faucet, you can install a Tapmaster. Only basic tools are needed for an installation. To install the EuroProbe activated models, start by drilling 2 screw mounting holes and a hole for the control tube bundle, and another hole in the back of the cabinet. Using a wire or fish tape, route the control tube bundle through the hole in the toe kick and the back of the cabinet. Mount the housing. Install the actuator valve and probe activator mechanism. Mount the housing cap and tighten the set screws. To install the cabinet door activated model, drill 2 holes for the mounting bracket opposite the hinges at about knee height. Mount the bracket. Install the actuator valve and route the control tube bundle with the self-adhesive clips provided. The valve blocks are common to the installation of all Tapmaster activators. Start by turning off the water supplies. Disconnect the faucet hoses. Connect the control tubes from the activator to the valve block. Connect the valve blocks in line between the shutoffs and faucet hoses. See the installation instructions for further information on some of the many ways to install Tapmaster activators. If you've got questions about any of our systems, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help.